Hey, welcome back to my channel, Work at Home Boss. This is Carissa, and I'm here to bring you 3 work from home job opportunities. But before we get into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. Let's get into the bag.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So, first of all, happy 4th of July. You all, please be safe, be safe, be safe. And let's get into this first work from home job opportunity. It is with the American Cancer Society, and they're hiring for a cancer information specialist. They're hiring for Austin, Austin, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, and Las Vegas, Nevada. And this position is full time. So the position description is this is a permanent remote position which can be home based anywhere in the US. The start date for this position is September 6, 2022. Okay, so the cancer information specialist empowers cancer patients, their families, and caregivers through support, discussion, and the delivery of high quality cancer related information. The CIS conducts an evaluation of stated and implied needs to further enhance the patient's ability to increase decision making and patient self efficiency. The CIS assesses psychosocial stress and addresses opportunities for improving emotional needs throughout the cancer journey. So the major responsibilities are serves as a member of a specialized team, including specialist nurses and devoted to delivery of cancer information, handles high volume patient related inbound calls, emails, and chats, video chats to the National Cancer Information Center in a consistent and customer focused manner, identifies and evaluates constituents' needs and provides accurate information, assesses the cause, emotional status, and promotes psychosocial support resources as needed. Responsibilities may include educating and referring to clinical trials, matching services when appropriate, strives for first contact resolution, seeks opportunities to remain engaged with patient or caregiver throughout their cancer journey, fulfills diagnosis and treatment related material order, and a plethora of other responsibilities. I'll leave that for you all to read. So, some of the position requirements are bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, preferably in healthcare related field, 1 year of related experience in social work, patient services, public health or customer service preferred, contact center and or work from home experience desired, skills, specialized training or knowledge, strong verbal communication and listening skills are required, demonstrated written communication skills is required, demonstrates ability to communicate with constituents through video chat technology while delivering high quality customer service or customer serve, answering questions, solving problems, and troubleshooting with the constituent as needed, strong interpersonal skills, strong customer service orientation, bilingual skills, Spanish English desirable, must be a highly motivated self starter, exposure to cancer information, medical terminology, social services, and nonprofit health organizations preferred, ability to adapt quickly to new technology and tools, basic familiarity with utilization of Microsoft Office products, which includes Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Proficiency of 40 words per minute typing, comfortable making independent decisions, demonstrates society's cultural beliefs in integrity, compassion, courage, determination, and diversity. All right, so if you're interested in this position, it pays $20.25 per hour. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link down below. Okay, so the next job we're going to get into is with Teleperformance. They are hiring for a technical support representative. This job pays up to $16 per hour. So some of the responsibilities is provide frontline first level technical assistance for consumers, supporting client specific high speed internet service, delivering an exceptional customer experience, resolve technical problems within a fast paced customer facing environment, troubleshooting and issue resolution assistance with client service and or devices specific issues, including internet connectivity and performance troubleshooting, supporting customer needs related to client specific high speed internet services or devices, including troubleshooting, triage, and additional required resolution techniques. Okay, some of the qualifications that they're looking for: you must be 18 years or older, 6 month call center experience, 6 to 12 months customer technical support experience, comfort with desktop computer system, proven oral and written communication skills, familiar with personal computers, operating system, software, computer terminology required. Technical community college education is a plus, but it's not required. Okay, so again, if you're interested in this position, it'll be linked in the description. And the last company we're going to talk about today is Agero, and they're hiring for a remote customer service representative. All right, so a little bit about this role. You'll be trained to answer inbound phone calls from stranded motorists and dispatch our contracted providers to come to the rescue. So this is this is a kind of like a roadside service, and people who are stranded where is something was wrong with their car, they run out of gas, or their electric vehicles need to be charged, they're going to call you and you're going to dispatch help out to them. Okay, so you use secure services such as towing, lockout, tire changes, fuel delivery, and electric vehicle charging. You verify the customer's safety throughout the call, verify their roadside coverage and current location so that you can help. So, agents that excel in this role possess a passion for providing outstanding assistance to their customers via inbound phone calls, an empathetic nature with excellent communication skills, a confidence in decision making, and can find the resolutions to even the toughest situations, and a love for working on computers in a virtual environment. So, this position pays $13 an hour, and you could get up to $2.50 an hour shift differential, and also you could get another dollar per hour if you are bilingual. They have a ton of benefits and perks. And also here to work from home, the requirements: must need Windows 10 OS or above. It would need to be a desktop or a laptop. So of course Mac, Chromebooks, and tablets are not compatible. The speed must exceed 1.3 gigahertz, 2 cores minimum. The RAM must exceed 4 gigabytes. Hard drive free space meet or exceed 20 gigabytes. The download speed 10 megabytes per second. Upload is 3, and those are the minimum. And let's see. So that's it. Okay. So details about the work schedule: it will be mornings, middays, evening, and overnight shifts that are available. Full time is 40 hours per week. Part time is 20 plus hours per week. Again, the position is full time and it's a remote position. And like I said, the starting pay for this position is $13 an hour. So if you're interested in this position or any position that I talked about during this video, I will link those positions down in the description. I also have linked down below a link where you could go in and take a PC speed test for your computer, and also I have a link where you can take a typing test to brush up on some typing skills so we could get these jobs. Okay, and also I have a link down below for the people who don't have a resume, you need a resume, you don't know how to write a resume. I have a resume outline that you could purchase for $2, and you'll be able to download the link and input any information you need to that the form is asking you for, and then you'll have a resume that you can save and send to any job that you're interested in applying to. Okay, so thank you all so much for tuning into my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And Boss is out.